Make sure to watch this video right from the beginning to the very end, because the knowledge and incredible information you're going to get here today is truly priceless, and it's highly unlikely anyone else will ever tell you these things. You can make your brain speed lightning fast. It is entirely possible. This isn't some fantasy or science fiction. It's a proven fact. Actually, our brain works a lot like a smartphone or a computer. Just like your phone's processor speed is measured in gigahertz and its RAM in gigabytes, your brain also has its own specific powers, and these are what determine exactly how fast your brain will really work. Exactly in the same way that a mobile phone's RAM and processor power dictate how fast that device will run, you can easily boost this RAM and processor power of your brain too. Now, while there are a lot of difficult methods out there, today I'm going to tell you some incredibly easy ways to make your brain absolutely sharp and laser fast. After waking up in the morning, you just need to use a specific technique for 5 minutes. Sit comfortably in one place and then just take 4 deep, forceful breaths. After that, you need to breathe not through both nostrils, but only through one side. Use any finger on your right hand to properly close off your right nostril. Block the right side of your nose with your right hand and then inhale and exhale through your left nostril. After this, you have to completely reverse the exact same process. Now use your left hand to close your left nostril and start breathing through your right side. You need to do this about 10 to 15 times on the right side and 10 to 15 times on the left side. Normally, we breathe through both nostrils at the same time, but in this specific exercise, the only difference is that you are drawing in breath from one side at a time, and you have to keep in mind that you need to inhale a bit forcefully. I mean, not the way we usually breathe slowly. You have to use all your energy to pull in as much air as you possibly can. Do this every day for at least 5 minutes. When you block your left nostril and only draw air in through the right side, that breath and that oxygen go straight to your brain's left hemisphere, meaning the left side of your brain. This rapidly boosts the energy in that left side of your brain. And this left brain of yours is what controls your logical power, meaning your reasoning ability. This means that if you're a bit weak in subjects like math and science, you absolutely need to do this exercise. This will increase your logical thinking power so much that these subjects will literally feel like child's play to you. With stronger logic, your brain will become super smart. You won't have any trouble making decisions of any kind. You'll instantly figure out which path is right for you and which one is wrong. Similarly, when you close your right nostril and take in air from the left side, the energy on the right side of your brain increases significantly, and this right hemisphere of yours, meaning the right side of the brain, when its power goes up, your inner creativity really shines and comes out. When your inner creativity gets stronger, your overall style completely changes. Your confidence and self-belief levels get super high, which takes away any fear of speaking in public in front of thousands of people. Because it's this creative power that brings out the real talent hidden inside you, and that's when you're able to recognize your unique gifts. The air or oxygen you take in revitalizes those brain cells and neurons whose power had dropped significantly. Due to taking on too much stress, those cells start getting active again, and their energy jumps up thousands of times over. And the greatest feature of this specific technique is that when you inhale through just one side of your nose, it puts a different kind of impact on a particular part of your brain. That oxygen is delivered to your brain cells in a very special way, and because of this very process, the connection between the neurons in your brain becomes strong as steel. If you truly want to make your brain super fast, and you want your brain to operate at 100% full power, you desperately need a really fantastic good night's sleep. Without proper sleep, your brain's performance goes way down, meaning the power of how much information your brain can process in a single second drops significantly. The mutual network of neurons inside your brain starts getting weak. Now, how do you check if the sleep you're getting every night is actually of good quality or bad? The simple answer to this is that when you wake up in the morning, if you feel 100% energetic and refreshed at that moment, it means your sleep was really good. But I can say with total confidence that very few of you probably feel that kind of freshness early in the morning. Most people still feel a slight tiredness and sluggishness in their bodies even after waking up. Sleep is considered one of the most important things in our lives. And what energy level your brain will work at all day completely depends on your previous night's sleep. You often say that you're feeling extremely mentally exhausted, but you also have to understand that if your brain doesn't get the full time to repair itself at night, meaning you don't get good sleep, how is your brain going to work at its full capacity? When you're sleeping in the dark of night, right at that moment, your brain's healing process is turned on. After the hustle and bustle and work of the whole day, the exhaustion that builds up inside you gets recharged, just like a battery during sleep. If you focus on your body when going to sleep, you'll fall into a deep sleep within just 3 to 5 minutes. What happens is, when you go to bed, thousands of useless thoughts and ideas start racing through your mind. You just have to shift your attention away from those thoughts and place it onto your own body. This trick is super straightforward. Whatever useless stuff you're thinking about drains your mental energy. So you need to pivot that focus and center it on your body. Start slowly, feeling the different parts of your body. Feel your hands, feel your legs relaxing. And if your mind starts drifting toward those thoughts again, instantly pull your attention back right then and there and bring it to your body. Doing this will put your entire body into a completely relaxed state. And since your brain is entirely connected to your body, when your body calms down, your brain will automatically calm down too, and you'll fall asleep right away. Where it used to take you 15 to 20 minutes to fall asleep after hitting the bed, now you'll be in a deep sleep in just 5 to 10 minutes. And if you fall asleep using this body focusing trick, your sleep quality will be incredibly deep, because you aren't wasting your precious energy on useless thoughts. And when you get such deep sleep, obviously, your brain power will multiply. Put simply, your brain will become super fast. In one of my previous videos, I advised you to think about the things you want to achieve or attract in your life before going to sleep. After completing that law of attraction technique, you need to use this new sleep technique, meaning, once you've thought about your goals and finally decided, okay, I need to go to sleep now, right when useless random thoughts try to sneak into your mind, that's the moment you have to apply this body-focusing trick. Daphne Bavelier and Richard Davidson, who are well-known researchers at the University of Wisconsin, published a major article after months of lengthy research. In this research, they clearly stated that playing video games significantly increases your mental functioning, meaning your brain's cognitive power. It develops your learning ability, meaning your capacity to learn anything new very quickly, exceptionally well. And it also boosts your emotional intelligence. You must have definitely noticed something yourself. When you play a favorite game, you get completely immersed in it, meaning at that moment, the concentration part of your brain gets active at a very high level, and your power of focus gets seriously strong. You must have heard this since childhood, that we shouldn't play too many video games. Or you've often heard people say that whether it's mobile games or PC games, they're all bad for your eyes and your brain. But let me tell you the truth. Thinking of games as completely bad is a huge myth, an illusion. In reality, excessive gaming is bad. Being glued to a screen for hours is harmful. Looking at it from this perspective, an excess of anything in the world is bad. Constantly reading way too much is bad, and playing way too much is too. But if you play within a limit, it will give you benefits you couldn't have ever imagined. It takes your brain power to the next level. You guys probably already play games, which means your brain power must be getting trained on a daily basis anyway. But I want your brain to rise way above whatever level it's at today, and for you to join the list of the smartest and most intelligent people in the world. That's exactly why you need to adopt that specific breathing technique and the deep sleep trick before bed into your life. This will multiply your brain power many times over. If you liked today's special video, don't forget to hit that like button, my friend. And if you have any questions at all, be sure to ask in the comments down below. If you're visiting this channel for the first time, don't leave without subscribing, because I'm always bringing you mind-blowing and interesting videos just like this. After hitting the subscribe button, turn on that bell icon too so you can be the first to get the notification for my next video.